What is going on, guys? Lord Irving here, back again with another video. Today I'll be teaching you guys how you can make your very own YouTube banner. Before we start, make sure to tap the link in the description. Both of them, there'll be directions down there, and then follow the steps in the video. Thank you. Now you want to set your width to 2560. And you want to set the height to 1440. That's the standard banner size, and you want to make sure it's transparent. Then you can just tap OK. Now, first of all, what you want to do is you want to tap Layer, then you want to tap Open Images Layer, and then after you've downloaded the image from the description, you will be able to import this. So this is basically the banner size. So the top, the whole thing is the TV, and then you've got the desktop, the iPad or tablet, and then you've got the phone. So what you want to do is make sure that most of the content, or all of the content, is in the mobile area, so everyone on a mobile can see it. Okay, first of all, what you want to do is you want to tap the type tool, and you want to tap text, and then you want to type in your channel name, and you want to change the font. You can download your own fonts and then save them to your computer and then import them, but for now I'm just going to choose Impact, which I think is a very good one. You do not have to download this, and you want to choose the correct size. You want to change the color to white, and then you want to tap OK. Then you want to tap the Move tool, or V, and then you want to center it so it looks nice and professional. Then right click the layer, tap the layer styles, then you want to click on drop shadow, tap the box, and then click on drop shadow. You want to make sure the opacity is 100. Then you want to make sure the size is about 6, and then you want to make sure the distance is also about 5 or 6. There you go, and then so it looks nice and professional. It's got a bit of a shadow there. Now you want to search up an Instagram logo. If you have Instagram for your channel, that's what I'm doing. Now you just want to save a PNG. So right click it, save image as, and then you can just save it to your computer. And you just tap save. Then you want to go back to your editor. Then you want to tap layer, open images layer. Then you want to select the Instagram logo. You want to tap open. Then you want to move it to your position. And tap edit, free transform, and make sure you hold down shift while you do this, and then you can drag it to the size you want. You want to make it nice and small. And when you're done, you can just tap on the move tool, and you just want to tap, yes, you do want to apply the changes. Now you can move it to where you want. You want to make sure it's aligned and center with this. Then you want to right click the layer. You want to tap inner glow, and you want to make the color white, the hardness 10, and the size 100. There you go, it will match the text now. You also want to do a drop shadow, the same as before. Make sure it matches with the text. Okay, now you want to add your social name. So you want to go down to the type tool, and you can click anywhere. Then you want to put your text. You want to type @ and then whatever your social name is, or you don't have to type @ for Instagram. So whatever the name of your social is, then you want to choose the color. Oopsies. You want to choose the color, make sure it's white. Size, make it nice and small so it fits in. And you can choose any font you want. So I think I'm going to change the font of the original thing because it's not nice. So I'm just going to change it. This is the downloaded font. I suggest going to defont.com. There's a bunch of downloaded fonts from there. So I'm just going to make sure it's centered. If you change the font, it will keep all the presets you have with the shadow and the background and everything. So now I'm just going to position my text. And I can edit the text or change the font, which I'm going to do now. Right now I might change it to impact. That looks good. Okay. Just layer styles. I'm just going to add the drop shadow again. Same as before. Now you need to go to the drawing tool. Make sure you selected the right layer, of course. You want to select layer 1, the original layer of the image. You want to select the drawing tool, and then you want to mask out this outer space, basically. Okay, so once you've done that, make sure it's nice and neat. Now it is time to add a background to your text. I suggest using a texture or something like this, something that looks nice. But you want to make sure it's like good quality, like 180 ping, not anything that's fuzzy or out of focus or something like that. So I'm going to select this one. I'm just going to right click it, save image as, and save it to my downloads. We'll go back over here. You want to go to the layer, open images layer. Once again, you want to find the image, just tap open. Now make sure it's covering everything, and then see everything should be brought to the front. Now just mask this off again. Just make sure I've got everything. Alright, so I'm going to do that for the top and the bottom, and then might add some additional text. Because I think it's looking a bit empty on the right hand side. Now you can adjust the image just by simply tapping on it and then moving it up and down. So you don't have to have the middle bar. So now you want to go to the type tool. I think I'm going to add something like, we'll do mobile gamer. Make sure it's white. You want to make sure it's the correct size. Now you can just move it to wherever you so please. Okay, now you just need to change the quality to 100 obviously, and then simply tap OK. Now you're just going to want to save it to your computer. I'd give it a name such as banner. Just tap save. Now I'm going to show you how to import it onto your YouTube channel. Go to the top left corner and then just simply tap on your channel. Now all you need to do is tap the little camera button at the top right, because we're going to be changing that. And simply tap import from your computer. Select the one you want. Just going to find it. I'll be at the top because it'll be. Select it and tap open. it shows you, gives you a bit of a preview on what it's going to look like on all devices, and then simply just tap select. Now it'll be saving, and now your banner is updated and you've created your very own banner. Well done. Be sure to drop a like on the video if you enjoyed and this helped. Make sure to comment below. Thank you and goodbye.